How does a gold IRA work? Don't leave your retirement to the mercy of governments and banks. How would you like to be sitting on an investment with a record of outperforming the stock market by 400%? Had you purchased gold a decade ago? That's exactly what you have today. Even though since 1999 the price of gold has risen over 500%. Many precious metals experts believe that it is at its present value is still very much undervalued. Some experts believe that gold could soon rise by another 100% or more. Despite being one of the market's best performing areas, this is only part of the story of gold. Gold is a true solid store of value and security. As the national debt ceiling inevitably rises and the buying power of dollar diminishes faster and faster with high inflation, the price of gold increases. Today, our government's debt is astronomical and shows no signs of improving anytime soon. The reality is the dollar can no longer be considered the storage of wealth it once was, since the gold backing was removed in 1971. Gold, however, has been a storage of wealth for over 5,000 years. What makes gold so incredible? Gold is a hard asset derived from nature. Gold isn't subject to dilution or devaluations as are other paper assets. The government can't print more gold. We only have what's in the market now, and whatever else is left in the ground, and it is a mineral that cannot be duplicated in a lab. Gold's value isn't at the mercy of governments or financial institutions. In fact, gold historically tends to move opposite to the direction of stocks. Even over the last decade, when our economy experienced one of the rockiest periods in history, gold outperformed the stock market. Gold can't be printed out of a printing press by our government like money, with the result being diluted buying power. And unlike stocks, it won't ever merge or split. It's no accident that gold has been the standard store of wealth through the ages. Therefore, considering gold as a part of your retirement portfolio may be the best choice for protecting and preserving your retirement funds in the long run. Especially now with high inflation that will eat away at your savings and a bear stock market which could wipe it out quickly. So why doesn't your financial advisor recommend investing in precious metals? Financial advisors are licensed only to recommend publicly traded securities. Some financial advisors may recommend precious metal exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. They could also recommend mining stocks, which offer a way of taking advantage of the growth that is occurring in the precious metals market. As a financial advisor, this is their only form that they can offer in giving recommendations of investments in precious metals. Unfortunately, investing in ETFs and mining stocks is not the same as investing in precious metals directly. Your financial advisor cannot recommend or sell physical gold or silver or other precious metals. As we said before, precious metals are tangible assets. ETFs are only another form of paper assets. Exchange-traded funds and mining stocks are subject to the same factors of volatility of the stock market: inflations, company earnings, and corporate fraud. There are things that all investors need to know to protect themselves. Don't risk your retirement funds in the wrong assets before you get the best information. Don't wait for another market crash like in 2008 before you begin protecting your hard-earned retirement savings. The time is now to prepare for a volatile and uncertain future. With inflation out of control and the bear stock market falling into record low territory, the time to protect and preserve your funds is now. Now that there are so many people seeking to own physical precious metals, it would only seem logical that they would want to put it into an IRA to help secure and protect their retirement for themselves. Many retirement plans have had some major downfalls in the last few years. But the people who have invested wisely in gold are very happy indeed today. That's not to say that you've missed the boat. On quite the contrary, things are just starting to heat up. It's hard to find many comments from any influential businessmen or financial lists that are saying now it is not the time to invest in gold. Many people just don't possess the extra capital required to buy gold. Therefore, it makes perfect sense to use their retirement money that has already been put away for retirement as a great starting block for their gold IRA investment, self-directed gold IRA investment. One of the best ways to start a gold IRA investment is to roll it over and turn into what is recognized as a self-directed gold IRA. You have to do it using this method because your 401k plan or similar retirement accounts will not permit you to own physical precious metals. So you don't really have any other choice but to transfer it or do what's commonly termed as a 401k rollover to the particular IRA that allows you to own physical gold or silver within it. You also have the option to transfer your current IRA into a gold IRA. And the great thing about a self-directed gold IRA is that you aren't restricted to holding just only precious metals in that account. In addition to this, you get all the great tax advantages that are involved with the gold IRA investment plan, as well as advantages of rolling over your IRA to gold. This is an excellent way to get actual physical gold. One of the biggest benefits is that there is absolutely no storage you have to worry about. It's an especially safe and sound way to go about investing in gold without putting any unnecessary risks and worry on yourself. Transport and storage is all taken care of for you, because you make all the decisions in a self-directed IRA investment. It makes sense for anyone who already has investments to set up a self-directed gold IRA. You are able to invest as much gold and silver that you want to and manage from start to finish on your own terms and as you wish. We recommend an excellent company that makes this a hands-free, simple and easy process for rolling over your existing IRA or a portion of your IRA into gold and precious metals. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website and request your free gold IRA kit at easygoldinvestments.com. Or call toll-free 1-800-953-3538 to talk to a retirement account expert today about how to buy gold with your IRA. Good luck in your financial journey and thanks for watching.